Hi, I'm Helen from the Royal Astronomical Society, and I'm here with Scott Bolton, PI for the Juno mission. So we're here at the Linnean Society at the moment, and we're from the Royal Astronomical Society, which is just over there. The Royal Academy of Arts is just over there too. So there's a big mix here, and we've also got professional astronomers and amateur astronomers and all sorts going on. So I know you're very interested in the link between art and science. And obviously we're here with the RA and the Royal Astronomical Society. Can you tell me a bit more about how you think we could collaborate with artists more?
Well, I think that, innovation is sort of at the root of where we're trying to get to. We're in the middle of a renaissance. We're lucky it's sort of like Florence a long time ago.
Yeah.
The social media, the internet, the ability to connect to people across the world is expanding rapidly. And I believe that as we expand this, it's important to consider art and science together. And that's exactly what's going on here in this complex. Is you have the Royal Academy of Arts, and we have the Royal Society of Astronomy and Science and microbiology. I mean, everything is right here. So this is exactly what we need to try to do. Is more in our society is get these two disciplines to crosstalk. Don't surround yourself with a bunch of people that are the same. You're much richer if you can hear another perspective. And together you're so much more powerful than you are apart.
Absolutely. And I believe yesterday Dr. Christopher Goh said processing is an art form. Every image is different. And we've had a lot of artists get involved with the data from Juno. Can you tell me anything about that?
Yeah, I mean, we take our raw data and we put it onto the web, and anybody school children, professional astronomers, people that are in a hobby, they're actually the ones making the pictures. And I would say a fair fraction, almost half of the images that are being made are really just artistic expression. It's so beautiful to see because when you look at something like Jupiter, it stirs something inside you. It's a beautiful piece of art, and people are expressing that. And I think that's what it's really about, is I'm happy that I'm seeing that and people are jumping into that, because that's how I think. I believe that even Juno would never have been possible had we not mixed people, some a little more artistic, some a little more logical, kind of working together to create something new. And it's so great to see that our data is actually enticing people from different walks of life.
I believe yesterday you said, never in my wildest dreams did I imagine Jupiter would be so beautiful. And I think we all felt the same way when we saw those images, and I hope that it really has inspired people. So thank you very much, Scott. It's been a pleasure to talk to you. So I'm Helen, and we'll see you in the next video.